Glider 7-6 Launch and Recovery Procedures, Maneuvers and Flight. Welcome to the realm of stall recognition and recovery, where mastering the delicate balance between lift and gravity is paramount. Every aviator must be a virtuoso in this art. A stall, the aerial waltz with danger, can strike at any airspeed or attitude, disrupting the harmonious flow of air over the wings. The secret lies in understanding the critical angle of attack, AOA, the magical threshold beyond which stalls unfold. In the symphony of soaring, stall recovery and awareness are the lead instruments. The process begins with intentional stalls, a pas de deux with gravity, aiming to acquaint the pilot with the conditions that precede stalls and instill the reflex to take corrective action promptly. These stalls must gracefully conclude by 1,500 feet above the ground, with a landing area in gliding distance as a safety net. To recognize an approaching stall, let your senses be your guide. Vision, hearing, and feeling form the triad of awareness. Watch for a nose-high attitude, a diminishing airspeed trend, and changes in airflow noise. Listen keenly for alterations in the sound of rushing air, and embrace the subtle vibrations signaling a stall's onset. Feeling. Guided by kinesthesia, whispers of shifts in motion or speed, heralding a decrease in glider speed, are the initial whispers of a stall. Signs of an impending stall unfurl like a prelude. A nose-high attitude for a heavier wing loading, dwindling airspeed, hushed airflow noise, increasing back pressure, and wing buffeting are the telltale notes. The yaw string, if present, sways from its usual position, a silent partner indicating the impending waltz with a stall. When the performance falters towards a stall, be the graceful conductor of recovery. Clear turns are your prelude, ensuring the stage is set for a safe performance. As you sense the stall's approach, decrease the pitch, attitude, and angle of attack, AOA, promptly. The secret lies in eliminating the excessive angle of attack, AOA, that led to the stall, returning the wing to an effective angle of attack, AOA, and reigniting the interplay of lift. This orchestration of control pressure requires finesse, as a forcible push may hinder rather than hasten recovery. For self-launching gliders, where power adds a new dimension, applying maximum allowable power during recovery can be your grand finale, minimizing altitude loss. Just be mindful not to let the engine exceed its designed RPM limitations, no redlining allowed. Stalls should be practiced at a safe altitude, allowing recovery no lower than 1,500 feet above ground level, within gliding distance of a landing area. Different gliders have distinct stall characteristics, with wings designed to stall progressively from roots to tips. This design ensures aileron control at high angle of attack, AOA, and imparts stable stalling traits. As you master this aerial performance, remember, stalls can strike at any tempo, in any pitch or power setting. Tune into the symphony of stall characteristics unique to your glider and learn to navigate the delicate interplay with gravity, always ensuring a graceful recovery. As you advance, explore secondary, accelerated, and cross-control stalls, the exquisite moves in your repertoire for mastering stall, spin awareness. Welcome to the intricacies of secondary stalls, a subtle encore to the primary stall. Secondary stalls unfold when a pilot, in the effort to recover from a stall, applies abrupt control inputs before the glider regains sufficient flying speed. A delicate recovery ensues, releasing back elevator pressure until the glider once again returns to wings level, straight flight. Now, let's delve into the realm of accelerated stalls. Here, the glider's stall performance takes center stage in response to excessive maneuvering loads. Imagine the glider, once adhering to its usual stall speed, now with higher indicated airspeeds as the interplay of lift becomes more complex. As the glider maneuvers with increased load factors, a higher than normal stall speed becomes the crescendo of this performance. In the world of accelerated maneuver stalls, surprises await the unsuspecting pilot. Imposed by abrupt changes in flight path, these stalls strike more rapidly and severely than their steady-state counterparts. Picture the glider swirling into an unexpected wingover, or, if its wings have a slight sweep, one wing may gracefully outperform the other, leading to a rapid wingover before the pilot's reaction. But fret not, for mastering this challenge requires poise. Accelerated maneuver stalls should only be performed in gliders where permitted by the Glider Flight Manual, Pilot's Operating Handbook, GFM, PO. With a conservative bank angle at approximately 45 degrees and never exceeding the manufacturer's recommended airspeeds, pilots embark on this aerial journey. The design maneuvering speed, the glider's limit, should be the guiding tempo. As you navigate this aerial challenge, Bear in mind that the objective is not to perfect the stall setup but to recognize the onset of a stall and swiftly take corrective action. Recover promptly at the first sign of a stall or, if it fully develops, refrain from an extended stall condition. Your glider's wings, with their unique configuration, dictate the steps, be it a simultaneous stall or a wing-by-wing scenario. Take your glider into higher altitudes for a preliminary rehearsal, commit the pre-stall conditions to memory, and avoid their occurrence at lower altitudes where recovery becomes improbable. Now, envision the accelerated stall demonstration as an airborne sonnet. Set the stage by establishing the desired flight attitude. With smooth, progressive actions, gradually increase the angle of attack, AOA, until the stall occurrence. But beware, for the scenario should be clear, and entry altitudes must be sufficient for a safe recovery. Accelerated stalls are not merely an aerial spectacle, they are often encountered during traffic pattern turns close to the ground. Unwarranted, they might join the scenario during steep turns, stall and spin recoveries, or pullouts from steep dives. So, as you take your glider into this challenge, exert back elevator pressure with caution and finesse. Promptly release back elevator pressure upon stall occurrence, and if the turn is uncoordinated, guide the glider back to wings level, straight flight. In the grand tapestry of accelerated stalls, recognition and swift recovery are your navigational brilliance. Never allow the prolonged echoes of stalls, excessive airspeed, or the haunting specter of spins to taint your journey through the sky. If you click like and subscribe and leave a comment, we will provide a coupon for a free PDF download, one of 9 ebooks. However, each individual can only download up to 1 out of 9 ebooks for free.